Did you want to try the other thing?
Oh, this is a good moment.
Since you don't have your breathing machine?
I don't have my breathing thing, but I have another, because this is the most exciting show in television. You best not forget that you're watching CNN Plus, all right?
Oh,
it gets Mo every time. He hates it.
I'm not a big fan.
Yes, this is the #1 most viewed show in television, so we always had to keep coming up with ideas for segments and things like that. It's, you know, they should see the meetings we have.
That was just for me, and I know that was just for me.
That was for Mo. I can't let you down. Now it's for Mo. Okay, so anyway, I'm over in the at the gas station, but I'm not at the gas station for gas because the car's electric.
Yeah,
and I know someone's gonna say that, but I like to go and look at the items in the gas station.
Okay.
I know you guys might think that's crazy. I don't know if you guys think that's crazy or not.
No, I go there. They got sometimes the best candies.
Could be items that you...
I'm like, oh, they made a new one of this?
It could be items you never expected.
Oh, it happened to us yesterday with the Tic Tac.
Tic Tac.
There's a new Tic Tac?
There's like 15
No,
new Tic Tacs.
he got orange. He got the orange one, and then Jack walked over, and Jack was like, can I have one of those? Yeah. And Mo was like, yeah, what's the matter? And he's like, it's an explosion of flavor. I swear that's what he said.
It's what he said. It's
I
definitely
swear
what he
that's
said.
what he said. And I was like, the Tic Tac? You talking about the Tic Tac?
Yeah, it's tiny little Tic Tac.
Have you had it before?
The orange one?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
But for some reason, it set him off.
He's horned up.
I don't know what it was. It set him off. Anyway, Mo got the orange Tic Tac, but I like to go in there and I look around, and I don't, not for long. Like I'm coming over here anyways, and usually I want to get an iced tea or something like that. And I have a few recommendations in that category, but I think they could all be better, by the way. Anyway, point being, I saw this there today on my way in, and this was the limited edition Starlight space-inspired Coca-Cola. Can they see this, Will, right here?
Yeah.
By the way, shout out Miguel, shout out Charlie.
And Christopher.
This tastes like space, I guess. We talked about it on this show a while back, and I probably said at that point, oh, I'm going to try it out on the show, but of course I'm not going to order it or anything. But I saw it, and I was like, I can actually go full circle on this one.
So you got the non-zero sugar. You got the regular.
I got the real deal.
Okay.
I got the real deal Starlight. Shout out DJ Medusa. And I started to look at it, and I remembered covering the story about what would space taste like. When you think of a space-inspired drink, what is the flavor? And now I'm just realizing I can't just drink this on my own. I need little cups for you guys, too. Do we have it?
I've already had it.
Easy. Will, did you have it already?
No, I haven't.
Did you need a little cup or not?
I'm good. I'm good.
You're not even going to try it?
I'm all right.
He's making a face like this is disgusting.
Okay, I'll get a drink.
I don't want to taste space.
Well, that's what I thought. I thought that the taste of space, it just didn't seem appetizing, but I like space.
Okay.
So here's what they say about it. Coca-Cola Starlight. Introducing Coca-Cola Starlight, the first limited edition sparkling beverage from Coca-Cola Creations. Experience a subtle cooling sensation as you enjoy the reddish Starlight space-flavored beverage. I mean, they're saying it's a space-flavored beverage. A new but familiar Coca-Cola taste. Discover infinite possibilities from a new world with Coca-Cola Starlight before it's gone. So it's a limited edition space soda, and I couldn't help myself. I looked at the ingredients.
Of course you did.
Which is not really fair, and I'm actually glad that Will isn't going to have a chance to do that.
Oh.
So he has to go basically blind into this, and you're going to try to discover what the notes are and let me know what space tastes like, all right?
All right, just pour me a
I don't want to taste.
then.
I don't want to taste space. I have these tiny little glasses. Can they see this? Well, they can't. Yeah, they can see this. Okay.
So does it look?
Listen to that. Did you hear that? Okay.
Is it off color?
Wait, what are you getting? What notes you getting there?
I smell a note or two. Here we go.
All right.
Whoa, it's very light in a glass.
It's a light colored beverage here.
But it looks darker in the plastic bottle.
It kind of looks like a wine almost. Oh, okay. Yeah.
You were so offended.
That makes sense. That makes sense, Mo. Even though he's already tasted it, even though he spoiled the entire segment by already tasting it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our taste test. In 3, 2, 1, we're going to discover what space tastes like. Go. It doesn't. At first, it's Coke. At the very first, it's Coke. But then there's something that comes after. Oh my God.
It's like a cherry? Is it a bit of a cherryness in there?
Is my tongue numb right now?
Because of the space?
Yeah. It's also, I don't remember, but it feels like more fizzy.
More fizzy. Is that fizzy? The tongue thing I'm talking about?
It might be that.
That might be what I'm talking about.
I guess space is like very starry, so maybe they went...
I'm going to let it sit on the tongue for a second. The
rest of the show is him.
First of all, I do not believe that space tastes like this at all.
Of course not.
Space does not taste anywhere near as good as this. I hate to tell you.
Yeah.
I want you to give feedback first because I read the ingredient list. So for sure, you got to talk first.
I just had a weird moment of the concurrent viewers of 1,100 people watching us taste Coke.
No, but it's not. It's space. Well, don't forget, it's actually space, which you should definitely watch.
It's a weird moment.
Watch that. I want to hear your feedback. Well, you're going to have to talk first on this because I did read the ingredients here.
So, disclaimer, I don't really have a good palate, you know. Things just kind of taste mostly the same to me. If it's like Coke, my mind kind of goes to Coke. So I don't have too much of a certain opinion on it. I do think that it may taste a little maybe sweeter and maybe has more of a bite.
Sweet and bite.
And it's red. It has like a tinge of red. That's just me.
So did you want to mention...
I don't taste the red.
Did you want to mention any kind of ingredient other than what would typically be found in a Coke?
I would maybe say like a slight hint of cherry.
That's where I was at.
Cherry flavoring.
Okay, so listen, I don't even know that they necessarily share it because the thing about the Coca-Cola, thank you, Jameson, for supporting CNN Plus. Mo hates it because he thinks people won't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
But
also, we're way better than CNN Plus.
You got to know that the people know what I mean.
I know. The community knows.
You got to know. They don't share their secret sauce. You know that, right? Like, that's when they come in there and they say... natural flavors. Like, what are you talking about natural flavor?
Yeah, it tastes so natural to me.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to read the ingredients to you.
Okay.
In order of first to last. You got it? Carbonated water, sugar, concentrate of carrot and black currant. Do you need
black currant.
Do you need a...
Yes. Yeah. I can taste that.
What about carrot?
Not a lot of carrot.
But the thing is, they say that that's for color. So I don't even know if that's contributing to the flavor. Then it goes on to say natural flavor, phosphoric acid, caramel color, and caffeine. I think this list is very similar to actual regular Coke. So I don't know what kind of magic is going on here. Actually, in this list you found doesn't even identify what the fruit and vegetable juices are that are used for coloring. I guess it's better than artificial coloring, carrot and black currant. But yeah, I agree with you. There's a bit of a cherry Coke thing happening. if I'm trying to describe it as something, but I don't know what else. I really don't. I really don't know how else to describe it. There's no space involved. And I don't know if a trick is being played on me here because it tastes a lot like regular Coke.
Right.
It's not a distinct, I'm not having a distinct feedback other than it's like a subtle cherry Coke.
Do you get a subtle cooling sensation?
I don't know. Do I? Is my tongue numb right now? I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know, but I'm glad we did it because
all right.
on this show, we get to the bottom of it one way or the other. And, you know, let me just say something, Will. Because the people deserve it.
Okay.
If you're out there in the world trying to navigate this complicated place, and you find yourself in a gas station, I'm going to say reach for the classic one and not this one. Just get yourself a Coca-Cola Classic and call it a day. I did this so you don't have to. And I know it's fun, and I know we all like space, and I know you saw the label, and I know you heard the word blackcurrant. And I know you watched Willie Doo take a sip out of a fancy glass. I don't want you to be influenced by that. I want you to trust that the classic will do you better.
Yeah.
Do you agree with that, Will?
I agree.
The classic will do you better.
Hundo P.
That's what this show is for. That's what this show, we just saved you. I don't know, there must be somebody that's in, somebody really want, you know.
Yeah.
The cherry Coke types are going to like that. I don't mind the cherry, you know, but a classic is tough to beat. Don't get me going on Coca-Cola because they tried to go away from the classic. They had to bring the classic back. Don't get me going on it, though. Might get carried away. They tried to introduce the new Coke. It happened a while ago.
Yeah.
Coke versus Pepsi days.
Vanilla Coke, though?
Do I like?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.